Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Foothill Oak Elementary School, home of the Roadrunners in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. And they have these plaques, banners all over campus, their expectations for their school. And you can see this one that they try to lead, and that's to live proactively, embrace honesty, act respectfully, and display kindness. And for today's program, first time I've ever presented it, it's a brand new program on compassion, one life at a time, showing one act of kindness at a time, hopefully maybe even changing a life, right? Just one life at a time. But it really honed in on the act respectfully part and the displaying kindness part, because what I really try to talk about in this particular program is how through the power of our actions, we can either uplift or we can tear down. We talked about being a builder or a wrecker, and knowing that when you say something mean, that can just tear someone down, just like a building, when they have to tear those down, they can do it in a couple of seconds, but sometimes it takes weeks, years, to build a new one. And that could be the same for us, that, sometimes, we need to be able to build people up, but knowing that just one negative action or word can just completely kind of cut the rug from under them, that's something that we have to think about. And we did a guided meditation today, talking about our worries, our concerns, our fears, and with the understanding, that we're trying to move past some of the pain in our life. We talked about painful memories, got a little emotional with the students and staff, and we, kind of talked about, going back to our childhood, times that we were embarrassed, ashamed, made fun of, told that we weren't good enough, and tried to replace that with the principle that I bring up in all my assemblies, the concept of us being miracles, right? With the lines on our hands, we all have the letter M. That M at the front of my shirt stands for miracle. Upside down, W is for worthy, right? That we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to believe this, we have to buy into this, right? Because some people I speak to, they might have forgotten this, they might have never been told this before as well. And so we can be that light to their heart, right? Be that reminder as to what really matters and what this world desperately needs. And we had a couple videos too showing how someone that was bullied was actually bullied by someone that was also bullied, and it just kind of kept going and going and going, right? So the cycle has to be able to get broken with us trying to be the change, and knowing that we can still show kindness despite anything that we've been through, and knowing that we can always rise above that hate. So that was something that really kind of helped, for, I think, the understanding, for all of us as to what I was really trying to reinforce today. Even talking about the glow stick concept, right? That, it has to break in order for light to shine. And that's the same with us. Even if we're broken, that we're still okay. And so, with the inspirational music, the positive videos, the physical props, visual aids, the picture slides, all of that kind of came to fruition. So thanks for touching my heart. I've been here so many times to Foothill Oak in the past. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, have a great rest of the school year, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.